Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to cancel Western Union money transfer in the app. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily cancel Western Union money transfer in the app, so open the Western Union app and log in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, go to recent transfer, then tap the menu or the home screen to find your most recent transfer. Then select the transfer you want to cancel. Tap on the specific transaction to view full details. Then after that, tap cancel transfer if available. So if the fund haven't been picked up or deposited, you will see a cancel transfer button. Tap it and follow the on-screen instruction. Then no cancel option, contact the support. So if there's no cancel button, the transfer might already be completed or pending in a way that block cancellation. So tap help in the app or call the Western Union customer care for manual cancellation. Then wait for refund processing. If cancelled successful, your refund will be returned to your original payment method, and this may take up to 7 business days. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.